Let him go.
Come here, buddy.
You're the only one that missed out on an emu photo in Monkey Maya, so now you got one.
Oh.
I always talk to the kids when I talk about or read Edwin
Hey, buddy.
the emu and stuff. I always
I'm actually scared.
It looks like it's thirsty.
My boys with the emu. Does look like it's thirsty.
I want to feed it water.
Hang on.
And some food.
No, I'm not coming near you. I'm not coming to get ya. Yeah. You want water?
Got water.
Oh, those little birds are getting sick. Come in. Are you there? Look outside. Look outside now.
Oh
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Ah, no, I'm not attacking you. Oh gosh, just ate the plastic. Did you see it?
That's why we should never litter.
Come to your front door. Oh, come to your front door. What's going on? Look out your door.
Hi, buddy. Why are we all taking pictures of it? Why are you scared of it?
It's a big fucking bird. Alright, get that, boys. Let it come out. Let it come out. Otherwise it's going to feel backed in.
I'm scared. Why am I scared of like real life animals? I'm scared of like real life animals. I'm gonna go inside my camper. No, I'm gonna go inside this. I'm gonna... Wait. Oh, I see it. There's my bad bird. It's an ostrich that can never fly. Okay. Wait, wait, is it actually an emu? Is it an emu or an ostrich?
Oh my god, it's an emu.
I thought it was an ostrich. What are the differences between an eagle and an ostrich?
An eagle or an ostrich. Eagles fly ostriches.
Wait, no. What are the differences between emus and ostriches?
Oh, I thought you said eagles.
I think he's camera shy. Is he? Oh no. Jack, I think we should better run.
No, if it starts running at us, then we definitely run because they're the fastest things in the world. By the way, kid, there's an emu here, so yeah.
Yeah, no, just stand still. Just stand still.
Oh no, the kid's gonna get run at. The bloody emu.
Oh, I see. I feel like we should chase after it. We have spotted an emu. Holy crap, it's there. It's there. I see it. I'm gonna go to the nearest one. Me and my friend Jack are literally investigating creature. What is this creature? Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Why is there an emu? Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Holy crap. Oh no. What are we doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I'm pretty fast too. Jack, what did you find? What did you find? Yeah, you know, we still don't know where the emu is gone. Hey, Jack, what are we gonna do? Where's the emu? Where's the emu?
Yeah, by the way, there.
Where did he go? I was trying to put these on. These ones. And then that's when I left you. That's when I lost you and the emu. That's when I lost you and the emu. Recycle? What if we could recycle my camera? I could just So what do we do now? We've spotted an emu. Leave it. What are we gonna do now, bruh? What are we gonna do? Where did the emu go?
And then over this
What? We're gonna try to look for this emu, bro. I'm gonna try to look for this emu. Leave a like because Jack saw it. Jack saw it, and maybe he should find us. He should find us some clues. Maybe. Should you?
We should look for footprints of emu.
Oh yeah, that's actually a good cute clue. We're looking for the ground. What are emu footprints anyway?
So they kind of look like, I guess. It's like. Oh, there! Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
it's going down.
So yeah, came across there and then
God. Secret. What are the emu's vision? Or the ostrich, the emu? Is it an emu or an ostrich?
Yeah, I'm going to see if we can open it.
don't make it feel like you're closing it in.
Is it an
Yeah,
emu
might
or an
come take it.
ostrich?
Yeah.
I already took a photo of it. Oh.
Hang on. Work it out.
I'm kind of
Yes,
scared of
it's small.
ostriches.
Yes. No. Get the pink
Them,
part, get
they
the
have,
pink part. No. Yes. Oh, he got it a little bit.
Almost there.
don't eat the bread because it's your bread, isn't it?
Oh, it's spread now.
Whoa.
Oh, so close.
Yes.
Got it.
He ate the bread. What are you gonna do now, Mr. Emu? Oh no, I'm scared. I might run away. Yeah, I have no idea. No, I know.
Yes. Beautiful.
I'm gonna try. What, Jack? What happens if we touch him?
Well, just like don't touch him or he might try and
Yeah. What happens if we try to touch him?
Looks like it's trying
Yeah, I
to
might
bother
turn around and
you.
peck you.
Oh no, I'm scared of emus now. Ostriches, emus, whatever the heck they are. Their footprints are more. Jack, you told us like the footprints are usually like that big, but no, they're like
Bigger, a lot bigger.
yeah. How many toes do they even have? 3.
Yeah.
How many toes are there? How many toes are on a human thing? Human foot. Damn. As we see here, a wild emu has appeared. Or an ostrich. I still can't tell if it's an emu or
Oh no.
I'm scared.
If it looks at you, then just like walk away. Don't run away, just walk. Yeah. Don't clap because you don't know.
Come here. You said just walk away, not run away. Run away. I said that. I'm gonna try to get a different angle. Just this is gonna go viral. This is gonna be so viral on TikTok. I don't even have TikTok, by the way, so yeah.
Oh no, not get away.
Jack, I was literally like this close from touching you. I was literally like this close from touching him. Holy crap. Touch him.
Aya!
Yeah, I'm just going to try and grab it when it's got another piece out.
I think it's camera shy. I'm gonna try to get a good angle. Actually, I'm gonna. Oh, yeah.
Yes, you birdie. Smart bird.
Smart.
Not so smart.
What are the differences between ostriches and emus?
I don't really know.
Yeah. Mum's not gonna probably tell us off. Like where we are. Come on, Brody. Come on, Brody.
Maybe if he gives up, he's like take the putt.
Come on, Ben.
Take
I named him
pick it
Ben.
up the-
Is his real name Ben? I really do not know. I'm scared. I'm scared of this wild beast. Mr. Beast.
Getting a bit vicious, that one.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh. What are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do? We have spotted this. Look at that. Look at that. It's very, very vicious. Jack, there's a car. There's a car. Oh my gosh. This thing. It's literally. It's so bright. I should get these on.
You got the bread out.
Got the bread. Got the bread. Got the bread.
It's a bit narky, doesn't it?
Jack, I think we should stay close together. I wish I could zoom in, but I can't.
Yeah, what you can do is just go like, ooh.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to scare them. I don't want to scare him and maybe take him away.
Oh, yep, it got some, it got some. Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Come on, go little bird. Go Big Birdie. I think we should name him Big Bird. Oh my gosh. Do you think we should name him Big Bird? Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. What do you think?
We should name it Rose.
Yeah, maybe, I think Big Bird. Well, he's not yellow.
If it's
So I guess brown Big Bird. Pretty rock. Yeah, there's pesky little birds that ate some of our food. Some of our food. I'm scared. Jack, let's go stay close together. I got the best camera angle. I have the best camera angle. Jack, what do we do? He's trying to get it. What are we gonna do, Jack? He's trying to get it. Stay close. Stay still, stay
if
still.
you want its attention, just clap.
It's not working.
Get away.
Just slowly back away. Just slowly back away. I never know. I'm gonna slowly back away. I'm gonna try to hide. I'm gonna try to hide from you. Jack, I think we should run. We should definitely run. Why?
I want to or just start chasing her again.
Yeah. Maybe you should go and then I'll film the rest. Then I can show it to you later.
No, wait, no.
Why?
I'm not.
Why? This thing is crazy. Is this thing... Here, go.